Well, this is one job right here. You know what I'm saying, from the first one. As you see, we finished the wall up. You know what I'm saying, so far. Today. There go the rest of it. Steps. These steps is formed and built without none of the frame pieces in place. You know what I'm saying, we put down the concrete, carve it up, and that's it. Ain't none of them boards that you be seeing when they be making them steps and stuff. We don't use none of that. You can see new rocks and stuff like that. This is what it's looking like so far till we paint it, let it dry. Here go the floor. Here go the fire place right there. As you see, we finished it all off for the day. We about to go to a new job, the other job site, and do the waterfall. Let's see. Had to fix the wall up a little bit. This dog is at every site. He rolls. Remind me of Brownie. Yeah. So what's up, bro? What's up, man? See? The texture in it, everything.